Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about the basic concept of cell. This is the last lesson of this topic. I have already discussed the first two lessons. If you have not watched the previous lessons, then I will share the link in the description box. You can go and watch those videos. So let's start the lesson. In this lesson, I will discuss about the various types of cell organelles. Now at first, we need to know what are cell organelles. Let's consider a cell. Okay, and there are various compartments present inside the cell. These compartments are membrane bound. That means membranes are present in that compartments. These specialized membrane bound compartments are called cell organelles, and each of them perform specific functions. Clear? Cell organelles are present inside the cell. Now, as there are various organs present inside our body and each of them performs specific function, similarly, many cell organelles are present inside the cell and each of them performs specific function. Clear? Now, the first type of cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is an irregular network of tubular double membrane. If you look at the structure, you can see this is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is irregular shaped and networks are present, and they are tubular. That means they are like tubes and two membranes are present. They are double membranous. So they are irregular, network like, tubules are present. Those are double membranous. Now they are continuous with both the layers. Outside present is cell membrane and inside is nuclear membrane. That means this endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with both these two layers. Outside cell membrane is present and inside nuclear membrane is present. Clear? Endoplasmic reticulum are of two types, smooth and rough. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum means where ribosomes are not present. If ribosomes are attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, then that endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are a different type of cell organelles that I will be talking about later on. So if ribosomes get attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, then that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't contain any ribosome. Clear? Main function of endoplasmic reticulum is they synthesize and transport proteins and fats. So not only they synthesize, but they also transport these molecules, proteins and fats. Clear? Next type is mitochondria. If you look at the diagram, then you can see clearly that mitochondria is sausage-like. That means the shape is sausage-shaped. This is the sausage-shaped structure. And they contain two walls. So it's double membranous or double walled. Clear? Inner membrane and outer membrane. You can see the finger-like projections in blue. These finger-like structures are called cristae. And mitochondria have its own DNA and ribosomes. So mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes and they contain two walls or two membranes. Main function of mitochondria is they release energy. They release energy in the form of ATP. You all know that ATP is the currency of energy. So it releases energy in the form of ATP, and apart from that, it synthesizes some enzymes which are very much essential for respiration. So in one word we can say it synthesizes respiratory enzymes. Clear? Next is Golgi apparatus or dictyosomes. When this structure is present in case of animal cell, then we will call it Golgi apparatus. But when it will be present in case of plant cell, then we will call the same structure as dictyosome. Clear? If you look at the structure, you can see these are some flat sacs, flattened sacs, and that too membranous. That means they have a membrane and these flattened sacs are arranged in layers. That means you can say in stacks. First layer, second layer. So these flattened sacs are arranged in layers. They contain tubules, vesicles and vacuoles. This is a very simple cell organelle, and the main function is they secrete and synthesize enzymes and hormones. That means first they synthesizes the enzymes and hormones, and at the same time they secrete those enzymes and hormones. And apart from this, they form the acrosome of sperm. Sperm, we all know, is present in case of males, right? Sperm has a part called acrosome. Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of acrosome of sperm. Clear? Next cell organelle is ribosome. Ribosome, I have already said in the previous slide, ribosomes are present on the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. When they are attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, then it is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That means ribosomes are present on the outer surface of endoplasmic reticulum. And apart from that, ribosomes are also scattered in the cytoplasm. They are small granules. They are small spherical bodies and they are single walled. That means they contain only one wall. And ribosomes are mainly composed of RNA. There are two types of nucleic acid: deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. So ribosomes are composed mainly of RNA, and the main function of ribosome is protein synthesis. They synthesize proteins. Clear? Next type is lysosomes. Lysosomes are the sacs. It's a sac-like structure. They contain a membrane. Lysosomes are formed from Golgi body. So from Golgi apparatus we get lysosomes. These lysosomes contain various different types of enzymes. Approximately 40 different types of enzymes are present inside lysosomes. Okay. Now the main function of lysosome is to digest. It helps in intracellular digestion. What is the meaning of the word intracellular? If this is the cell, then digestion that takes place inside the cell is intracellular digestion. Intra means inside. So when digestion takes place inside the cell, that digestion is carried out by lysosome. Moreover, lysosome destroys the foreign substances and those old or injured cells which are present in our body. That's why lysosome is known as suicidal bags. Often a give reason comes in board exams that why lysosomes are called suicidal bags. Then we have to write that lysosomes helps in intracellular digestion. They destroy foreign substances. They also destroy the cells which get old or injured. Okay, so rapidly they destroy those organelles, and that's why lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. Suicide means to destroy. That's why they are known as suicidal bags. Clear? Next cell organelle is centrosome. Centrosome is only present in case of animal cells. Okay? These are not present in case of plant cells. They are only present in animal cells. See, this is a centrosome. This is a cell. This is a cell, and this is the centrosome. Centrosome, this region is centrosome. This particular region or this particular structure is centrioles, and the region around centrioles is centrosome. Clear? So centrosome contains centrioles, and centrosomes is present near the nucleus. Centrosome is present near the nucleus. So if question comes the location of centrosome, then we will write centrosome present near the nucleus, and centrosome contains centrioles. This region is centrosome around the centriole near the nucleus, and this particular structure is centriole. Clear? So the main function of centrosome is to regulate the cell division. How it regulates cell division? Actually, it helps in the formation of spindle fibers. These structures are the spindle fibers on which the chromatin fibers or sister chromatids get attached to during the cell division. Later on I will discuss about the cell division, but for now you need to understand that centrosome regulates cell division, but how? By the formation of these spindle fibers. Clear? Next cell organelle is plastid. This plastid is present only in case of plant cells. Okay, only in case of plant cell we get plastid. Now, plastid is double membranous. See, two membranes are present, 1 and 2. Two membranes are present in plastid. There are various types of plastids present. The most common one is the chlorophyll, which we find in green plants. The most common is the chloroplast, okay, that contains chlorophyll. So the most common plastid is chloroplast, and chloroplast contain the green pigment chlorophyll. We all know that the green plants contain a pigment called chlorophyll. So that chlorophyll is present inside the chloroplast. This is the structure of chloroplast. It is a most common plastid. And in chloroplast, thylakoids are present. See, these are the thylakoids, stacks. Those flattened sacs are arranged in layers. This structure is called thylakoid. Thylakoid contain this green pigment chlorophyll. Clear? Now, plastid helps in photosynthesis. Why? Because it contains chlorophyll. So that's why it helps in photosynthesis, in trapping the sunlight. Right? And it also imparts colors to fruits and flowers. Apart from that, there is another type of plastid called leucoplast, which stores starch, or you can say food, in the form of glycogen, or you can say not only the glycogen, in the form of starch, they stores in leucoplast. Okay, so leucoplast is a type of plastid. So again I am repeating, the main functions of plastid is it helps in photosynthesis as it contains chlorophyll. So it helps in the trapping of sunlight, and it imparts colors to fruits and flowers. And it also, another type of plastid is leucoplast. It stores starch, that means the food granules. Okay, so these are the few common cell organelles that are present inside the cell. Clear? Now all these cell organelles are the living part of a cell. But apart from these living parts, there are some non-living parts of cell. They are vacuoles and granules. Now, they are vacuoles and granules. Vacuoles are the clear spaces. Those are especially present in case of plant cells. They are the clear spaces. Those are filled with water or other substances. Right. So basically what they do, they store water, and it provides turgidity to the plant cells. It provides rigidity or turgidity to the plant cells, and they helps in the storage of water. They are the clear large spaces filled with water or other liquid substances. Clear? And granules are also present, who are also the non-living part of the cells. They are the small particles like crystals or like droplets, and they serve as food for the cell. So they serve as the food for the cell in the form of starch and glycogen. In the form of starch and glycogen, they serve as a food for the cell. Clear? So apart from the living parts like cell organelles, two non-living parts are also present inside the cell. So this is all about this lesson. I think it is clear to you all. In total, the basic concept of cell is clear to you all. Now, this is the last lesson of this particular topic. I will upload the videos of some other topic very soon. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. And if you think my videos are informative and helpful, then please like and share my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.